Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and we are super proud to present to you 28A Mountain View Road in Western Springs. This 90s cedar townhouse has had a modern makeover and transformed it into a great family home, and we can't wait to show you through. This superbly versatile floor area of over 200 square metres ensures that there's space for everyone to spread out or escape, and storage is certainly not going to be a concern again. The living flows to dining, and the super stylish entertainer's kitchen with its magnificent bench opens out onto the large north-facing deck and landscape grounds. Accommodation is more than taken care of with 4 bedrooms, 2 down, 2 up. The master suite is a fabulous haven with access to its own private deck, a walk-in closet and a drop-dead gorgeous ensuite. Recent renovations to the family bathroom and laundry are similarly impressive, and the internal access supersized double garage is another first-rate feature. Morningside Precinct, Grey Lynn and Kingsland villages are only minutes away with their dazzling array of wining and dining. Transport links are hard to beat with trains, buses and motorway access, and the cycle path is right at the bottom of the hill. Great schooling's on offer with zoning for Mags and Western Springs College, and the hard work has been done here just in time for you to move in, unpack and enjoy. There's no prize for second place, so make sure you come along on the weekend because we know it's going to be a popular one. We can't wait to show you through.